Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Counting number 8A.
Counting number 8A. Sorry for banging the camera. I saw an interesting thing. So today we did complementary counting.
Yeah. Yep.
And I saw an interesting thing on Twitter last week that involves complementary counting. And it says if you take this series, 1 plus a half plus a third plus a fourth plus, add up all of the inverse integers.
Yeah.
Do you remember ever talking about this?
I remember talking about some infinite series.
Okay. Do you remember talking about this one specifically?
I didn't think we talked about it.
Okay. Do you remember?
Not really. I remember the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
Oh yeah? What is
etc.
that? What is that?
Negative 112.
Equals negative 112. Yeah, of course. You remember that one too?
Yep.
Okay. Well, this one adds up to infinity.
Wow.
Okay, which is a little surprising because the numbers get really small.
Yeah.
And when the numbers get really big, they add up to negative 112.
Yeah, that's pretty weird, huh?
Yeah.
So, this is called the harmonic series. Does that remind you of anything?
The harmonica.
A harmonica. So, this is interesting. And the neat thing that was on Twitter was that except if you remove all of the numbers with 9s as digits.
So like 1/9, 1/19.
Yeah, I didn't write this very well. Yeah, 1/19th, 1/29th, 1/90th, 1/91st.
Yeah.
Okay, if you remove all the numbers with 9s as a digit, as any digit, probably is a better way to say it, then the sum is less than infinity. It's finite.
It's weird.
Yeah, that is
But
pretty
infinity
weird.
minus something is still infinity.
Yeah,
Like infinity minus 3 is still infinity.
that's true. So you must be taking away a huge number of numbers here.
Yeah.
So you have a very good observation. If there were only, if the ones with 9s added up to a finite number,
Yeah.
it would still, the remaining sum when you take those numbers away would still have to be infinite.
And if you took away infinity from infinity, it would still be infinite.
Well, who knows? Infinity minus infinity is kind of tricky.
Well,
So this was kind of a surprising fact. I had never actually seen this before,
Yeah.
and that's what we're going to talk about today with complementary counting. Why is this true?
I mean, it
Or
doesn't.
why is we're not going to explain exactly why this is true, but we're going to say why this could possibly make sense.
Alright.
Okay, and the reason gets to what you're saying. This says that most numbers must have 9s in them,
Yeah.
but why would that be true? Why
But
would most
it
numbers
doesn't
have?
seem like it'll get above 1. Like the biggest number you take out is 1/9.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. So let's try to understand why most numbers have 9s in them.
Okay.